y'all, I'm Miss Amy with Jefferson County 4-H, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a sweet and salty yummy treat. So when we're working with food, the first thing we want to do is wash our hands. So I've already done that. So what you're going to need today is just 3 ingredients. You're going to need buttered puff corn, vanilla almond bark, and my favorite, sprinkles. And then you will also need parchment paper, a bowl to put your almond bark in, and a spoon to stir and drizzle. So the first thing we're going to do is take your puff corn. You're going to open it up, and you're going to just lay it out on your parchment paper because we're going to get ready for our next step. You're just going to go all the way down. This is a favorite in my house. My daughter makes this quite often, and she likes to eat it all up. So, anywho, and now we're going to put our almond bark. It's half of a package, so it's 4 cubes. We're going to put it in the microwave, and we're going to put it in there for 2 minutes. This is super, super easy. So we're going to put it in here for 2 minutes. All right, so now it's done in the microwave, so we're going to pull that out. You might need an oven mitt. It may be very hot. Now it's still going to have just a little bit of shape to it like this, but that's okay. You're going to want to take your spoon and you're going to want to stir it up just like this. This is super, super yummy. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to set this on here, and you want to make sure all your puff corn is spread out really nice and separately, and it gets a little messy, so just keep that in mind. And you're going to take your spoon and you're just going to drizzle. So you're just going to take this and go back and forth all on your puff corn. And you'll just keep doing it until you fill all the pieces of it. This is great to give as gifts. We've given it as gifts a lot. Put it in a nice little tin or in a nice little goodie bag. And you can also theme it different colors depending on what sprinkles you like. And we've also done it with the chocolate almond bark, and that's really good as well. All right, so you just go back and forth and drizzle until every little piece has a little almond bark on it. One of my favorite things is a salty and sweet snack. So you get the best of both worlds. So, all right, we'll just keep going over, and then we're gonna top it with sprinkles, which I normally do extra sprinkles because I like sprinkles and I like glitter. They add magic in your life. Alrighty, so there we go. That looks pretty good. So I'm going to set that to the side, and then now you're going to take your sprinkles while it's wet. It needs to be wet so it'll stick, and you're just going to go over top of it, just like that. And you will get a couple rollaway sprinkles, but that's okay. Making a mess is part of the fun. Alright, depending on how much you want, you'll just make it look and taste the way that you want. There you go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to let this sit for about 10 or 15 minutes because you want the almond bark to get hard. So we're going to let this sit for just about 10-15 minutes, and then we're going to come back to it. And we're back. Okay, so we've let this sit for 15 minutes, and now it's hardened. But before we serve this, I want to show you a cute little craft you can do. So just a nice way to put a yummy snack in. You take a red cup, and you just take some electrical tape and go around your whole cup. And then you take some duct tape, and you make a square, and you put right in the middle. And then you take one more piece of electrical tape and make a smaller square, and you have a Santa Belt cup just for sweet and salty treats or anything else you want to put in it. So now I'm going to take some of this, I'm going to put in our little cup here and get it ready for someone special to eat. There we go. And now it's ready to enjoy and ready to serve up. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this sweet and salty treat. I hope you make it. I hope you have fun doing it. Also, don't forget to check out the library for more books for crafts and recipes. And everybody stay safe and healthy. Bye.